welcome back again, and today I have some DIY stuff for you guys for the DJI controllers. And I have this phone holder which is actually meant for car to hold your phone, and it goes like this. So anyway, I'm going to make use of this to mount that as a mobile stand for the controller. So I found a piece of scrap hard plastic, and because it's too thin, so I added some shims or material over it to kind of get the thickness that I want for the card, because otherwise this gap over here will not be able to hold the thin card. So with that, you can actually mount it onto the controller just like that. This card is actually meant for signage for the door I guess you know what is this, pull. So with that, I actually have a few car mounting accessories. I have this one too, but this one will probably work too, but then it is facing too far backwards, so yeah, so I didn't want to use this. And so I got one of this which has pretty good articulation. Goes this way and straighten, and it can also rotate around, so depends on what kind of position that you want. So I find this is quite versatile. So with that, you simply just attach it just like a car phone holder stand, because this plastic is smooth enough, so it's going to hold it pretty well. So you can see that it's actually holding the controller. And then we have the phone. So and look at the clearance that I have between my hand and the phone. It is very good ergonomics. You can do that if you want, close to your hand, but yeah, I usually want to have a little bit gap, and this screen articulation is pretty good. You can even turn on the side or raise it up if you want. Right, hope you guys like this simple DIY mod, and it costs you probably nothing if you have these scrap materials lying around in your home. And if you do have this car mobile stand, of course make use of that. In fact, you can actually plug it off your car and use it for your flying, and then put it back onto your car. It costs you probably nothing. So hope you guys enjoy this mod, and do come back for more of my channels. I see you around.